Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you as always, and thank you for tuning in to my 2871st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you. Hey, remember, trading is risky. Never trade without stops. Always put those protective stops in first before you enter into a live position. This is video number 2871 coming at you on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, Feb 25th, 2025. So, traders, what's going on out there? First off, on Wednesday evening last week, well, I did a series of videos. On Wednesday evening last week was the final double tops produce market drops video. We're going down, get ready, and then I showed you a series of double tops. Ones that look like this one where the top is in place and the other top misses a little bit but remains valid. I showed you other examples where it misses by just a teeny bit but remains valid. And I showed you examples of head and shoulders that cut through the other top while still remaining valid. So I said that's it. Double tops produce market drops, and this is what happened since then. Thursday, Friday, Monday, fantastic, right? Double tops do produce market drops. Now, we've had a series of great trades in the last couple of days since the double tops have been formed, but I will tell you, even though I've got a red Omni for trading on Tuesday, the Omni is waving us off from actually getting into a position in NASDAQ, Russell, or E-mini S&P. It wants me to concentrate in other areas and do a one-day breather on the indices. Now, we've had a great run, so I don't mind taking the one-day breather. I never argue with Omni ever. When it says take a breather, I do. And there are plenty of other money trees, as I like to refer to them, that we can choose from for trading tomorrow. So if we can't get into a NASDAQ, S&P, Russell position, which Omni says not to, maybe it's turning, who knows? Let the Omni do its thing, and we'll see what it wants to do tomorrow night. Again, there are several other markets I'm already set up and willing to trade, have orders in, waiting for alerts, and Omni flash updates will go out when we get there, but likely those trades will not be S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. Now, traders, you can always find me at livewithoscar.com, but even cooler is the Omni Bootcamp that's coming up. Omni Bootcamp is coming up, and this Omni Camp is special. Not only are you going to come to Vegas on a Thursday night and spend an entire 5 days with me in my home office learning the Omni, but you're going to go home with a brand new computer, and this Omni Camp, unlike others, comes with a class trip. On Saturday night, Omni Camp is all day Friday, all day Saturday, all day Sunday, all day Monday, but on Saturday night, we're taking a class trip, and we are going to see the Grateful Dead at the famous Sphere in Las Vegas with me. I've got tickets for all of us, and on Saturday night, there's a class trip planned. Make sure you get your permission slip signed from your parents, because there's a class trip planned, and we're all going to see the Grateful Dead as part of this Omni Camp. All you have to do is go to omnibootcamp.com, fill out those applications. Now, OmniCamp will be happening literally in a month from now. It's March 20th through the 25th. Time is ticking immediately, and I do not have a lot of seats. I'm only accepting 5 maximum traders. omnibootcamp.com, as well as an added attraction. We're all going to see the Grateful Dead. Now, we don't usually do class trips during OmniCamp, but this is special. You're going to love seeing the Dead at the Sphere. I've seen it. It's an amazing show. So I'm adding that into OmniCamp. Make sure you go to omnibootcamp.com. Now, there's a purpose of tonight's video, not only to show you what's going on here and that Omni wants us to take a breather, but there's this. On Wednesday, I am doing a free live webinar. I'm going to go in depth into many charts. We're going to look at a bunch of AI charts. We're going to look at the markets now and see what they're doing and what that means for the immediate future. All of this happens on Wednesday. It is absolutely free to you, but you must click the link below and sign up. Sign up with the link below. It's Wednesday in 2 days, or if you're watching this video on Tuesday, it'll be for tomorrow, Wednesday, the 26th of February. I will start at 3 p.m. New York time, Eastern time. There are others before me. I will start my portion 3 p.m. Eastern. Click the link below now. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I'll sign up for the webinar. Like and share these videos. Please leave your comments below. And join me at livewithoscar.com. Now remember, Omni Bootcamp, it's the only place you can fill out an application where you can come to my home office and work with me for a week and learn the Omni. Plus, we're going to go see the Grateful Dead. Make sure you go to omnibootcamp.com. Join me in my free live trading room at omnicamp.com or at livewithoscar.com. And then remember this. Keep your emotions out of trading. That means no emotional decisions, no hitting the keyboards for no reason because you got a feeling. We don't use feeling to trade. We use planned trade setups. We plan a trade. We trade the plan, always Omni style, and that's what you should be doing as well. I will teach that to you. Just go to omnibootcamp.com. Barring that, you've got to keep your emotions out of this. How do we do that? Place our stops first, then say this to ourselves over and over again, especially when you're in a bad trade. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. I hope these videos help. Leave your comments below. Be there at the webinar on Wednesday. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.